kids, we are back again with a nice storybook. It's Sunday and I'm sure you are watching your favorite cartoon character Tom and Jerry, and my son Agastya loves this cartoon. So we are starting the book without any delay. Tom and Jerry's house was a model of modern living. It had an automatic kitchen, an automatic living room, an automatic bathroom, and automatic windows and doors. Your house also has automatic doors?
Yes.
Or automatic bathrooms?
Yes.
Who all have?
And automatic
You
kitchen.
have?
Yes.
You have automatic kitchen. See the beautiful illustrations? It's a giant storybook. See, can you read?
Yes.
I'll hold it for you to read.
जब वो घूमते मिल गई, वो मुझे घूमते मिल गई.
The only thing it didn't have was an automatic mouse catcher. That was Tom's job. Tom was good at it, right? Tom is sleeping here and he's always after Jerry to catch him. So we don't need an automatic mouse catcher in the house. See his house? Can you see? Agastya, can you see this beautiful house?
Yes.
One day, a photographer was coming to take pictures of the house for the Ultra Modern Home magazine. The owner of the house left Tom in charge for half an hour while she went to buy some flowers. The house must look perfect, she told him. So, I especially don't want a mess around here while I am gone. No problem, Tom thought. With an automatic everything, his job was easy. He had only one problem though. So the owner of the house said, I don't want any mess around because the photographer is coming to take photos of the house for the magazine. So please take care of that. And Tom was thinking, since they have all automatic machines, I don't need to do anything. It will be an easy job. But he had only one problem. Let's see what was that. Obviously, Jerry the mouse. How will he stop Jerry from making a mess? He was thinking. It was Jerry's house too, although Tom didn't think so. Jerry was also living in the same house, but Tom don't think so. And on that day, Jerry was in a playful mood. Jerry was in a playful mood. What do you do, Agastya, when you are in a playful mood? You mess up the room, take out all your toys, right? So Jerry was also in that playful mood. But Tom wasn't. He used the automatic vacuum cleaner to try and catch the troublesome little mouse.
Yes.
So he used the automatic vacuum cleaner to catch the mouse, to catch Jerry. We also use it to clean our house. But Tom was using it to catch Jerry. But Jerry knew something about automation too. Jerry is also very smart. He also knew. See, there is this vacuum cleaner. Jerry is here holding the remote, and poor Tom. Which is why he was able to use the remote control from the television to clean up after the cat. Jerry liked to eat at the dining room table like everyone else. Jerry used to like to eat on the dining table. His table manners were perfect, but Tom's weren't. Tom didn't have proper table manners. He leapt onto the table and slid down its entire length. This was considered rude in most families, especially families with a robotic maid. Do we mess up on the dining table?
Yes.
We should not. We should always eat neatly without making this mess. See what Tom is doing. Everything is spilled on the floor, on the dining table. Why? Tom thought of the robotic maid. They also have a robotic maid to clean. So while Tom thought of the robotic maid, Jerry decided that if he couldn't have a pleasant meal at the table, he could at least get a snack from the pantry. But Jerry was very hungry. So he said, since Tom has made all the mess, at least I can eat from the pantry. So this is the robotic maid who is cleaning, and it's after Tom who's messed up everything. Not if Tom could help it. See, Tom again came after Jerry. Jerry went to the pantry to eat something, but Tom is looking after him. Is after him. They always keep running after each other.
उसके घर में क्यों चला गया टॉम?
Cartoon also. He's keeping an eye. They both live in the same house. Oops, Tom couldn't help it. It was an automatic pantry. The pantry was also automatic. And Jerry was at the control. And Jerry was controlling the automatic pantry. So Tom couldn't do anything. Jerry decided to cool off for a moment in the refrigerator. Now Jerry is in the refrigerator. He was feeling very hot. So he sat in the refrigerator.
Yes.
It's very hot, hot, hot. He's sitting in the refrigerator. Now it is very cool, cool, cool. See what all can we see in the refrigerator? There is milk, there are eggs, olives which we use for pastas and pizzas, right? You like it? So he sat in the refrigerator. There is cold drink also. Now, Tom thought, what kind of a hiding place is a refrigerator? Open. Then Tom thought, what is the place to hide? Refrigerator? Please open it, Jerry. Jerry wasn't a bad scare for a member of the rodent family. That's a mouse, Tom thought. Now Jerry has skidded. He took the olives and cucumbers and he came out of the refrigerator and ran. He was a little mouse, but he was also a great big pest. I will catch the little troublemaker and still have time to clean up this mess, Tom thought. Now Tom thought, no problem, I will catch him somehow and then I'll clean up all the mess. But first, he had to, look at his expression, he had to fight the automatic dishwasher, automatic clothes steamer, automatic air conditioner, automatic rubbish container. See, now he has to fight with all the robotic machines that are in the house. Vacuum cleaner, air conditioner, clothes steamer. And escape the automatic rug beater, automatic soap dispenser and the automatic folding table. Finally, at the automatic spice rake, Tom got Jerry cornered behind the automatic pepper mill. Finally, he was able to corner Jerry. At least Jerry would be spicy enough to eat, the cat thought. Now Jerry is hiding behind a pepper mill. So Tom thought, now he will become spicy and I can eat him. Wrong again. Tom, it made him so hot-headed that the rise in his temperature set off the automatic fire sprinkler system. Now Jerry becomes so hot that it switched on the automatic fire sprinkler. Eee, what could possibly be worse than this? The 3 scariest words in the world. Now let's see what happened to Tom. Tom, I'm home. The owner of the house came. Tom thought, so messed up. Oh, poor Tom thought, I wonder if this modern house has automatic repair and cleanup. Now Tom was thinking if this house has automatically cleanup system also, so that we can, automatically clean up the mess. My son would be very happy if we have a automatic cleanup system, so that can pick up the toys like this and you will not get a scolding from mama. So that was the book about automatic machines that were in the house of Tom and Jerry. Do you like the book? Yes? So do tell me in the comment section if you like the book, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care.